The Vice Chairman is recognized.
I just want to be clarified, PG Fadulyon. Ano ba talagang gusto ng DOJ to be mabigyan ng restitution immediately? Kasi may sinasabi ni Senator Marcoleta, there will be a process. What is your stand here?
Sir, my position is this, if I may. Restitution, Senator Marcoleta is correct when he pointed out that restitution is not a requirement under the WPSB law.
Okay.
It is, as I said, it is not explicitly stated there. However, when the process of when the witness who applies to to be admitted into the program is evaluated, and for example they qualify, their qualification is now subject of a memorandum of agreement between the department represented by the secretary and the applicant. Now, in the memorandum of agreement, there are terms and conditions that may be agreed upon or imposed by the parties, and restitution is part of them. If I may be allowed to explain further, kung halimbawa po meron po tayong witness na nag-a-apply sa programa at sinasabi na nila, I am remorseful, ako po ay nagkamali, ako po ay nakakatanggap ng pera, nanggaling sa nakaw o hindi sa matamang paraan, at ito po ay sosoli ko, sasabihin po ng department, hindi naman kasi part ang restitution dito, so hindi mo kailangan magsoli. Kaya po yan inilalagay sa memorandum of agreement kung meron man, para lamang po masiguro din ng department na at least kung meron pong ill-gotten wealth, or if a person is unjustly enriched, monies will be returned back to the coffers of government. Remember, sir, if one is covered under the program, one of the results would be if there is a case where they will be testifying as a witness, they will not be included in the information anymore. And if they're not included in the information, it means they have no criminal liability, and forfeiture will not lie as against them. A process which will happen much later.
Okay, so Republic Act 6981, PG Padulyon, Section 5, it states na to comply with legal obligations plus to cooperate with respect to all reasonable requests. Ang tanong ko po ngayon, ano ba ang mga unreasonable sa pagbabalik na ninakaw na yaman? Can you give me some?
Let me just be clarified, Mr. Chair. Ano po ang ano ang reasonable kung magbabalik po?
Kasi ang sabi, legal obligations, reasonable requests. So it's a reasonable request. Pero it doesn't mean to say na you are, it's their obligation. Is that
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir. Kasi po, kasama po yan dun sa pagpapakita po ng pagsisisi ng kung sino man pong aplikante na sinasabi niya, kung ako po ay may nakuhang yaman sa pamamaraan na hindi po legal, at ako po ay humihingi ng kapatawaran, at ako po ay willing na tumistigo, at isosoli ko po. Natural po, ipapalagay po natin yan sa loob ng Memorandum of Agreement, at yan po ay mapupunta sa gobyerno.
Kaya po, ang tanong ko po ngayon sa PG Padulyon is that reasonable ba o unreasonable ang pagbabalik ng pera na kinuha sa taong bayan? Which is which?
It is definitely not unreasonable. I would say it is only reasonable and within reason to return the same.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Hypothetical, halimbawa, nag-apply yung couple, Diskaya couple. Sinabi nila, halimbawa, papasok sila sa MOA. Okay, ito po yung aking mga account numbers, ito yung bangko, willing po akong i-waive kung magkano man ang laman nitong account number na ito. Tama po ba yung hypothetical situation na ganon?
That would be one correct means, Mr. Chair.
Or halimbawa, ito po yung estimate ko na kinita ko sa aming pagkokontrata na merong ghost project. Nag-estimate siya. Nagbigay sila ng estimated amount na sa tingin ninyo acceptable kasi yun ang base rin sa reasonable na computation. Kasama rin yung sa MOA.
That will also be included in the MOA,
So
sir.
hindi immediate na
Hindi po
pagpasok nila, babayad na kagad sila. Parang extortion yun.
Yes, sir. Hindi po immediate kasi mangyayari niyan is parang
Correct.
you paid your way to be able to be admitted.
Parang you buy your
Yes,
way
sir.
in to the
Yes,
program.
sir. Ito po, it's a
So
necessary...
merong miscommunication.
Yes, sir.
Wala nga sa batas ang restitution, pero it could come later.
Yes, sir.
Parang as a pledge, as a commitment.
Yes, sir. That is correct,
Oh.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair, ikaw na nga nagsabi, Prosec, it is not in the law. Okay. Gagawa ka ng paraan para i-circumvent mo yon, papasukan mo dun sa memorandum reasonable ba yung maglalagay ka ng isang bagay that was not even provided as a requirement? Alam mo, as a lawyer, sinasabi natin palagi, the spring cannot rise higher than its source. Ano yung source? The law itself, di ba? Bakit ka ngayong gagawa to circumvent it para lang ipakita mo? Alam mo, you'll be abusing. That is grave abuse of discretion. Hindi mo nga alam, magkano isosoli nila, for example. Alam mo ba kung paano isosoli? Doon lang sa solian, doon lang magkakaroon na ng corruption dito. What was not given to you by the law, you cannot have it. Dito tayo nagkakaproblema, Mr. Che. Kaya ang pinag-uusapan lang, these people, gusto nilang tulungan ng Estado. We're not, hindi man hidden wealth pinag-uusapan
Mrs.
dito.
Iskaya wants to say something. Can we allow her? Pwede natin magsalita ka muna.
Yes po.
Miss.
I-confirm ko lang po kasi with what attorney Fadulyon said na meron kaming we were given temporary security. Definitely we weren't kasi I had to get our own security for me and my kids after the session here where we mentioned the 17 congressmen. So hindi po kami nabigyan ng DOJ ng any security whatsoever. And then yung sinasabi na hindi kami nakikipag-cooperate. Actually, the affidavits that they were requesting were prepared and we were ready to give it to DOJ. Pero kasi we were required to restitute first. So hindi namin
You were required to restitute.
Oo,
How much?
Wala silang sinabi na amount. So hindi
Baka-
namin alam kung ano yung restitution.
Baka stipulation lang.
Oo. So it was one of the yun nga po, one of the stipulations
PG,
that
baka stipulation lang
was
yun.
asked of us.
Mr. Chair, I am not privy because I am not part of the ones who've been talking
Yes.
to and communicating
Yes po,
with the
opo.
Diskaya couple. So I will have to validate that information, Mr. Chair, as to whether or not
So-
restitution was made a condition.
Maybe you can renew your application.
Actually, hindi din
Puntahan nyo
kami
na lang si PG Padulyon.
Opo, hindi na po kami we are 100% trying to cooperate with whatever is asked of us. So when Mr. Diskaya was let out for a half day to do the ledger, nagpasa po kami ng ledger ni Yusek Bernardo noong day din na yon. Pero hindi din pinansin. It parang sinabi sa amin, the case will go on
Okay,
even without
para
the
lang kasi
ledgers.
490 na, no? Sabihin yung lawyer ninyo, mag-coordinate sa DOJ. Andito yung director ng WPP. Kung makipag-ugnayan, para hindi tayo dito nagba-back and forth. Hindi tayo matatapos eh. Kasi I think there's a lot of miscommunication eh. No, iba yung interpretation, iba yung interpretation.
Yes,
so,
Mr.
Senator
Chair.
Risa, you're about to...
Yes, salamat Mr. Chair. Since sinabi ni Ms. Diskaya na gusto nilang mag-cooperate 100% sa mga investigasyong ito, just to make of record explicitly, bukod po sa sinabmit na nilang mga proyekto ng Alpha and Omega 2016 to 2022, iniintay pa po ng komite yung mga proyekto 2016 to 22 ng St. Gerard, St. Timothy, Amethyst Horizon, St. Matthew, Great Pacific Builders, at Elite General Contractors. Plus po, yung mga joint venture agreement projects ng mga Diskaya taong 2016 hanggang 2022 din, Mr. Chairman. Salamat po.
Thank you.
So, salamat Mr. Chair at siguro baka magkakaroon ng panibagong pag-asa yung mag-asawa na ito. Pero Prosec Padulyon, huwag mo nang ipipilit yung restitution na yung ilalagay mo sa memorandum. Mali yun. Para matuloy. Kasi nag-a-apply lang naman eh. Baka naman, ang totoo niyan kahit Mr. Chair, kung...
Actually, hindi outright yung restitution. Parang pledge yan eh. Parang willing kami mag-restitute. Parang ganun lang. Hindi outright kasi pagka-outright, parang extortion yun.
Hindi, maski na yung pledge eh. Wag na muna nating ilalagay kasi parang nababahiran ng ano eh. Unang-una, hindi nga natin alam, magkano ba yung re-rest? Sino bang magkukwenta? Sino magtatago nito while nandyan yan? Paano kung halimbawa hindi naman na kumpleto, hindi sila nag-qualify? O kung nag-qualify man lang sila as state witness, later on, nagkaroon nga sila ng konting sablay, pwede rin naman silang i-discharge as state witness. What happens to the restitution? Kaya para wala kayong sagutin, wag nyo nang ipipilit yun, wala kasi sa batas yun.
Okay. I would suggest
Thank
that
you,
the lawyer
Mr.
of the Diskaya couple will just coordinate with the DOJ.
Okay.
Settled? Para mag-renew application. Yeah, thank you very much. So,